Okay, guys, that inventory list to post that Mark did was perfect. We're going to get you to the catalog link that you want to put on the website as well. So you go to universaldouglas.com and then
you can click on products, and then from there it is the resource library.
So resource library.
And then if you scroll down, there is selector guide.
Selector guide.
And these will have all the flyers associated with all the different products. So if you click on core selector guide and hit this download button.
There you go. Download the core selector guide. Bingo, everything.
Drop open the open file. And then this is the core selector guide for core products. And so these are all of our products that are in this category. So the part numbers that we were just looking at, that's the beginning of those part numbers, what we call a catalog. And then people can understand all the parts associated. And this is available for each one of these different product families. So there's tubes, fixtures. In the component selector guide is our drivers and modules, which we got quite a bit of as well.
Perfect.
And so there's the different types of drivers and modules, and then the descriptions of each flavor and all the different part numbers as well. That'll all sync up.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, great. Thank you. Appreciate it.